everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into some powerful words that often get used interchangeably but have their own unique flavors. We are talking about courageous, valorous, brave, fearless, daunting, intrepid, and valiant. Let's break this down and see how each one brings something special to the table. So, here we go. First, we have courageous. This word describes someone who acts in the face of fear. It's all about feeling the fear but deciding to push through it. Imagine someone speaking up in a difficult meeting or trying something new despite their nerves. They are courageous because they acknowledge the fear but do not let it stop them. So, next synonym is valorous. This word is often used to describe acts of bravery in battle or conflict. It's a bit more formal and is usually tied to a sense of honor and duty. So you can think about a soldier who is defending his country with great valor. So valorous deeds are those that earn medals and commendations. Third word is brave. This one is probably the most common. Being brave means facing danger or pain without being fear. It's a bit more general and can apply at everyday situation as well as heroic acts. Whether it's standing up to a bully or saving someone from a burning building, bravery comes in all shapes and size. Next is fearless. This word describes someone who doesn't experience fear. It's not just about acting despite fear, it's not about feeling it at all. So, fearless people seem to have an innate confidence that allows them to take and challenge head on without hesitation. So, next synonym of courageous is daunting. Daunting is a bit difficult. It's usually used to describe something intimidating or difficult to overcome. It's more about challenging itself rather than the person facing it. So, for example, a daunting task might seem overwhelming at first, but it's all about taking it step by step. Next synonym is intrepid. Intrepid is a word that's full of adventure. It describes someone who is fearless and daring, often in the face of the unknown. Intrepid explorers are the ones who venture into uncharted territories with excitement and courage. So, last but not the least, we have valiant. This word is similar to valorous but can be used in broader context. It's about showing courage and determination, often in the face of adversity. So, a valiant effort is one that's filled with spirit and determination, no matter the odds. So, there you have it. Courageous, valorous, brave, fearless, daunting, intrepid, and valiant. Each with its own unique vibe and context. Which one resonates with you the most? Let me know in the comment section. And do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell and more awesome content. Stay brave, everyone, and keep pushing through your fears and living your most courageous life.